Hi, hello, good morning friends. Welcome to Nithya's kitchen. Happy Navaratri to all. Today I am going to show you how to make Rasmalai. Come, let's do it. Rasmalai. I am taking half liter for making Rasmalai and half liter to make rabdi. Rabdi is nothing but thickening the milk half liter into quarter liter and adding little sugar. I am boiling both the paneer. I'm going to use this kind of saucepan. To make rabdi, I'm going to make this kind of pan because we have to move the malai to the sides and we have to reduce the milk into half. So we have to keep stirring all the time. It shouldn't stick at the bottom. So keep an eye on this and let's boil. Wait. Got boiled. You can see it's puffing up. During this stage, I am going to add vinegar or lime juice. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just mix it. You can see the curdle forms. Look. Take it immediately from the pan and pour it in the colander. The process we have to stop it immediately, cooking process. So I am going to add some cold water inside this. So the cooking process will be stopped immediately because we don't want to cook this for a long time. Add the cold water. We can even hang this thing for 2 minutes to completely drain out all the water, or you can squeeze it completely. Drain from the paneer thing. So in the meantime we will make the rabdi. Keep stirring and don't forget to move the malai to the sides. Squeeze the extra water from this. Take a clean towel. Okay, keep the paneer thing on this and close the towel and squeeze the extra water. And also just keep kneading like this. It becomes very soft and it will remove all the water from the paneer. Do this for 2 minutes. Get a soft dough. Before rolling into balls, I am going to boil sugar and water in the vessel. So let's do that first. Rabdi is getting ready in the sides because it takes more time. So I am doing simultaneously. Okay, I am taking a large pan and I am going to add 1 cup of sugar. To this 1 cup of sugar, I am going to add 4 cups of water. Same cup. Okay, let this boil to the highest boiling point. After that, we are going to drop the balls that we are going to make with paneer thing. Take small thing like gulab jamun size that we make for gulab jamun. Roll it out without any cracks. Just press it lightly and keep it. Make all the balls like this. Don't make bigger sizes. Small is enough. Make the ball without crack and press it gently. Look. And keep it. do the remaining same procedure. It's are ready. I'm going to fry it in the sugar water mixture. Water got boiled. You can see the bubbles. I'm going to drop the paneer Rasmalai dumplings into it. Water should be at the highest boiling point, otherwise this will break into pieces. Drop it and close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until it doubles in size. Open and see whether it is cooked or not. Look, Rasmalai got doubled in size. Can you see this? That's why I'm making very small balls, because usually while cooking it becomes doubles in size. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Then we are going to transfer into a bowl. Rabdi also got ready. It is got reduced into half. I'm going to add the sugar. Sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons, depends on the sweetness you need, because Rasmalai won't be too sweet like Rasagulla. It should be milder taste. I am adding little sugar. Depends on your taste, you can add the sugar. Mix well. Let it melt. Then you can turn off the flame. Rasmalai is ready. I am going to turn off the flame and I am going to take the Rasmalai out slowly. Look. Transfer into a bowl. And before adding to the rabdi, we have to squeeze the excess water. Take this out slowly without breaking. Squeeze the water from the Rasmalai like this and add it to the bowl. Slowly, it shouldn't drift apart. Slowly press down gently to take out the excess water and add to the serving bowl. The water from the Rasmalai. I am going to add the rabdi mixture into it. Add the hot rabdi mix because it should get absorbed inside the Rasmalai. Don't forget to add the malai, that is the tastier part in this. I am showing today very little quantity because you shouldn't get wasted. If you are adding large quantity, you may get messed up, So I thought the half liter is good. But full fat milk is very much important. To this, I am going to add the saffron strands for decoration and mainly pistachios. Goes well with this, and serve this cold because cold Rasmalais are too tasty. Rasmalai is ready. It is not that hard, but it seems to be hard, but it is very easy. Try it, friends. For this Navaratri season, we make every day special. So 9 days you can surprise your friends with different sweets and snacks. Kids will also love it. Try this, friends. Thank you.